Good day everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a voice profile in Microsoft Teams. Creating a voice profile in Microsoft Teams enrolls your voice biometrics by recording a short sample, enabling the features like voice isolation, speaker identification in transcripts, and noise reduction during the calls and meetings. To create a voice profile, you will have to open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Click on the three dot lines at the top right corner to open the settings, and then click on settings again. This should open the settings window. Under the settings, you will have to go to the recognition section. Find the option create voice profile and click on it. Choose your preferred microphone from the drop down menu. In case if you're using more than one microphone, you would see those additional microphones listed here. So you can choose the preferred one. Click on start voice capture and read aloud the displayed text clearly for about 30 seconds. Once you have recorded this, you may click on end voice capture. You will have to wait for a minute so that Teams can learn your voice. Once this is done, you may click on close to finish the process. For the best results, record in a quiet environment using quality microphone, and you can delete or recreate the voice profile anytime from same recognition settings menu if needed. So this is how you can go ahead and create a voice profile in Microsoft Teams, which will help you to improve the audio clarity by filtering background noises using AI trained on your voice. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.